Alright, today we're going to talk about capitals and periods. Now, most sentences begin with a capital letter. Actually, all sentences begin with a capital letter, and most of them end with a period. Now, there are different types of sentences, but we're going to talk about the sentences that end with a period. So let's start this game over here. Let's push start. Alright. And it's true or false. So if it's right, it's true. If it's false, it's wrong. So look, this sentence, they are singing a song. Begins with a capital T. And does not end with a period. So that's false. Is this correct? The cat drinks milk. Capital, no period. False. Oh, this is getting pretty fast. Okay. The boy is happy. Yes, I see a period, but oh no, this is not capital, and these shouldn't be capital either. False. This is going really fast. This game is easy. Capital, period. True. Okay, I see a lowercase here. No. False. The girl plays with toys. Capital, period. True. That's right. Lowercase. No, false. Let's see. Uppercase, the boy is happy, period. Okay, that's true. This is so fast. Okay, do you think you can finish? I missed one. They sing a song. Lowercase. Okay. Alright, I think you could do better than me. Anyway, you want to try this game? Click in the link below and you could try this game. Jerry likes ice cream. Okay, true. Okay, I got that one. They are singing a song. That's right. Jerry likes ice cream. False. Do you think you could do better than me? I missed it. Yeah. Alright, give it a try. And the link is down below. And if you want to learn more about grammar, join our Headstart Academy online class. Last question. And if you want to play again, you can push start again over here. You can play this game again. You can look at the answers too. Let's go through the answers. Look, they are singing a song. See, there's no period here. The cat drinks milk. No period. See, that's false. The boy is happy. Look, this one's very weird. No capital letter here. No uppercase. And there is a period here. But look, these letters should not be capital. That's weird. Yes, look at number 4. This is a capital. Great. This game is easy. And a period right there. So that's true. Let's go 5. The cat drinks milk. See, this is not right. No period either. The girl plays with toys. Number 6. I see a capital T here. And then a period. That's true, see? I hope you understand that it's important to have a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and a period at the end. Yes, join our Head Start Learners Grade 1 Grammar online class. You can learn more about grammar and you can play games. There's fun lessons. And most importantly, get a head start on grammar and be a grammar master. Alright, I hope to see you in our online class so you can learn more.